right, guys, Matt here. Hey, follow me down as I show you our new Airbnb project. So we are really excited to bring this new Airbnb online. This is an old boathouse that we've been renovating, and we actually bought this property 7 years ago, and we're finally getting to renovate the boathouse. As you can see, we're in the process of working on the exterior now. With the goal, it is the end of August, and the goal is to have this thing up and running in September. All right, welcome. So we have a bunch of plans here, and as we pan around to the side, I'll talk a little bit more about it. So what we've done so far is put new windows in, new siding, new roof on this thing. The thought is what we're going to do is have a door here, that you'd come out and walk onto a platform for an outdoor shower, heated outdoor shower, so that'll be good. On the inside, we're gonna make it continue to be rustic, so it's going to be painted on the inside, but not really finished. And this is really, a 3-season camping-like experience that we're going for with this. And I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So at the end of the day, you're gonna be able to relax and have an amazing view. Now this is basically middle of the tidal range. So low tide, this river gets to be a very small stream. High tide, it comes all the way up here, about 1.5 feet away from the bottom of the deck. So this is all wet, this whole space in here, and it's about 80 feet to the horse farm across. This is an amazingly calm, peaceful, beautiful space, and we think people are really going to enjoy it.